that doesn't look like it explodes, I'm going to teach you how to make an origami exploding tower. All right, before we get started, I just want to give a little shout out to two halal for this dunya who told us to make a tower. So here it is. So first, you're going to take the colorful side and have that up. You're going to fold the white side over it. Maybe some of you are fortunate enough to have origami that's colored on both sides. In that case, doesn't matter. Also, when you make these folds, make sure to crease with your nails to really set them in. Then we're going to turn it over, do the same fold facing the other way. So one horizontal and one vertical. Then we're going to turn it back over, keep it like this, and we're going to fold up this way, corner to corner. Hold the center just so you have the corners aligned, but don't fold all the way across. Only fold the very end here. Just fold this. That's it. Then you go to the other side, and same thing. Hold it there. Only fold the very end, just like that. This is so ideally the triangle doesn't have creases in its sides, or the pyramid, that is. Now, you are going to take this corner and fold it up here. You want the corner to the center to kind of fall into place. This crease is going to line up with this crease, and this crease is going to line up with this crease. Actually, there's one fold we forgot to do. We forgot to do this fold here, the other way. Remember, not all the way. Just crease the very end here and the very end there. Yep. Then, you remember, we made this fold like this crease aligned here, and this crease aligned here. Now that we're back at this point, you're going to fold these corners in as far as they go. Man, this purple paper is super, super cool. Crease it with your nails. Then you take the other corner, fold that in as far as it goes. Same thing here, crease with your nails. Then you turn the paper over, do the same with the other sides. One here and one here. All right, now you take these, undo them, open the entire paper back up, fold the corners back in. Okay, make sure you set those in real good. Then you're going to fold this corner to this corner. Now this crease is already here. This will be easy. Just resetting that back in. So that's one corner to one corner here. Now you're going to fold this corner to this corner. Just like that. Line the corners up real good. You'll feel that it's in the center because this will kind of fold by itself. All you need to do is line up the corners. That corner did not line up. All right, now we're going to fold this corner to this corner. Oh, that is not a perfect. There we go. All right. All right, and then one more, this corner to this corner. All right, now you have set in all your folds. Now is a little bit tricky. This next step is a little bit tricky. You're going to take, between these, you're going to fold this like this, okay? Bring these two edges in, flap this over, and put this flap over it. See? Just like that. Same thing with this one here. Fold it over, put the flap over it. Then the next one, fold it over. Oh, this one came undone. Fold it over, put this flap over it. Now one more, fold it over, put this flap over it. All right, now you can flatten it out like this. Set those creases in real good, real nice and creased. Make those permanent. Then over here, same thing. Make those permanent. Now, this is a pyramid, but we're not done. It needs to be a jumping pyramid. So now you're going to take this corner. You see this midpoint here and this midpoint here? You're going to fold this up only to those two midpoints, only to here and to here. So just like set that fold in, and that fold just like that. See, midpoint to midpoint. Not all the way to here, just midpoint to midpoint. Do not press this in with your nails, just your fingers. You want it to be a little bit loose so that it jumps properly. Then you go to the other side, do the same thing. Remember, crease this lightly. You do not need to use your nails with this, okay? Now here, midpoint to midpoint, and now here, midpoint to midpoint, okay? Now we're going to do the same thing one more time. Now we're going to take this corner here, fold it up all the way to these edges. Remember, do not use your nails. You want this to be loose. Same with this side. Same with this side. Not using your nails will allow this to bounce much better. And now we do the very last one. All right, so that is how you make one of the pyramids for your exploding tower. The more you make, the more it will explode. Now here I have made 5. So for demonstration, let's see how this one explodes. Nice. We'd love to see your guys' exploding tower. So if you make one, upload it to Instagram and tag us in it, and we might just feature it on our social media channels as well.